Hi lovelies, so today I am trying something I have never tried before. I am using some silicone moulds to make some roses, and we're just going to experiment what is best to use with them. So I've got this, I think it's called 4D gel, but I don't know what makes it 4D, it's just 3D gel in it that I got from Temu. So I'm just sort of making it into a squidgy ball shape so that I can squidge it into the mould, and we're just going to see which way works better, if there is, or whether they're both fine, because I'm going to use normal gel polish as well. So I'm squidging it in. You can see it's in a mould in all the places there, I think, now. And then we will, I sort of thought that there was not quite enough there. And then we will pop that in the lamp and do our little base coat. I got these silicone moulds from Temu. Got quite a few actually, like daffodils or like tulips, maybe actually not daffodils. Little mushrooms as well, so I'm going to try them in this springtime maybe. So look, that, I think I double cured it and it's solid. It isn't squishy still, so it's cured fine. We like the result from the 3D gel. So now we are going to try the gel polish. So I'm using like a jelly gel polish, just because that was the sort of colour that I wanted to go for, and I thought it would probably still show the detail still okay. I think what I would say about using the gel polish is, because that already has obviously been in the mould, I just didn't show that in the lamp. So it has worked fine still, like you can still see the detail. It's just, it obviously came out of the side of the mould more than it did for the 3D gel. So like obviously with this you can like push it into the mould and it's not like dripping out of it, although I think I possibly did a bit too much. It's not dripping out of it as long as you don't use too much gel polish and too much 3D gel, whereas when you're using the actual gel polish, you can see that it, like I kind of messed up there and it sort of went a bit awry and out of the edge of it. So I did 3, I think, because I wanted to see which one was best and like what. I'm putting a base coat on the nail so that we can, I think, apply once they come out. I think maybe what might be best is using like a rhinestone gem glue to put these on and just treat them like charms sort of thing. So these all came out fine. Like I said, you can use whatever, either 3D gel or actual gel polish. But I think what I'm doing here is trying to file the excess bits, which wasn't working very well, I must say. So yeah, I would definitely use this like rhinestone glue a bit more, because it just sort of felt like everything was sliding away from me. But I really, really like how they came out of the mould. I think it worked really well, just what I wanted. And then I sort of faff about with different top coats and stuff, so I'll show you which ones I think were best in the end. So yeah, I'm faffing again, trying to file down the see, too much faffing. Hope everyone is having a lovely week. I've still got a few more videos to come out, like valentines-y but not, you know, like these obviously can be done whenever. Like, I just haven't got time to get them out in time for Valentine's Day. So this is it all cured, all on solidly, and all done fine. So now what we're going to do is base coat. I think that was base coat. Was it base coat? I don't know. Did you see on screen? Because I always like to base coat and then top coat with certain stuff, like to try and keep everything in. But I have a feeling I might have gone straight into no wipe top coat here. So I'm trying to do as thin a coat as I can to sort of keep the detail. Because obviously the more polish you put into it, if you're doing a base coat then a top coat, like the less definition the bits from the mould is going to be, if that makes sense. So like I'm trying to do as thin a coat as I can, but obviously enough for it to still be top coated. So this is how it looks with a no wipe top coat, shiny, still got detail, all good. And then I silly decide to then try and see what it would look like with a matte top coat, because I thought maybe there'd be a bit more detail. It actually like completely wipes away the detail. Completely. But this is what these videos are for, so you can not make the same mistakes that I made. So I'm trying not to put like too thick a coat on again, but unfortunately, as it cured, it took away most of the definition. It still looks like a nice nail, don't get me wrong, like, but it sort of feels like a bit pointless using the mould for it. You will see what I mean in a minute. Voila. So it just sort of looks a little bit more blobby, but still nice, just not as nice. So definitely use the no wipe top coat. I hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you found it informative. Thanks. Bye.